with that being said, that car is gone. Back again. Today I'm maintenance shopping for my cars. Right? If you have a Hyundai Sonata, if you're in a Hyundai Sonatas, have them of any sort, the tail lights always burn out. The bulbs in the back always burn out, and eventually it melts the socket. So I'm here socket shopping. Oh yeah, and I need a front strut for my Hyundai. I need that because it's bouncing a little bit. So I got to get it. My junkyard. Y'all can see over there. Whole bunch. So I'm in search. Hopefully I find one, which I should. See, this is what I like about coming to the junkyards, right? This is what I love right here. Hold on, let me show y'all. They do the work for you. All I gotta do is pull 3 screws. All I gotta do. They already did the work. I need one of these for my Hyundai at home. All I gotta do is pull 3 bolts. Take a few things off. Oh, it's just spinning on there. Okay. Now I gotta do something else. I got 2 bolts off. Found another one. Black one. The other one was just taking too long to come off because of this bolt right here. Because I don't want to take it with another piece, and then they try and charge me for a whole piece of this when I don't really need it. So I went and searched for another car, and this one is already easier to work on. Note to self: when you go to the junkyards, all the lights are always gone on these. They take out the tail lights, and they take out the plug for it too, to plug in, because they know it burns out on both sides. They know they always burn out. Our Hondas are famous for that problem. So when you go to the junkyard, you'll always see that it's always gone. The plugs on the back that go in to plug the bulb in is always gone on every last one of them. Yep. Got my 3 bolts out. There you go. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. At the shop doing some maintenance. Changing off the tires off of my Hyundai today. So we're here at a tire machine, changing tires. To the stack. Got to lube them. Good. 50. Some things you gotta go to the dealership and get. Gotta go pick up another part. Cause that Ford Fiesta at home is leaking coolant. And I think I found where it was. I know what it was. I found it. So I'm gonna change that. But the thing about this part is that if I wait on it, it's gonna take a very long time to get here. And I don't got time for that. So I gotta call up the dealer and go get the part. It's a flange gasket. Well, yeah, flange. Coolant flange. I just replaced the whole, I'm gonna replace the whole thing. But it cost 50 bucks. Well, almost 60. Online, it was $20 cheaper, but then I would have to wait forever. Which doesn't make any sense because the quicker it gets fixed, the quicker I make my money back. So, yeah. All right. And we're back. It's one of my babies. And I had to do a brake job on it. Got some new brakes on there, and there are new brake pads. That on there. These tires back on. And she can come get the vehicle. And she's back on the road. That's how we're gonna do it. See, this is the most stressful part about renting out vehicles. You gotta do maintenance. Maintenance. Change all the tires, do the brakes. I gotta come back and do the brakes on this one. Oh, I don't think I showed y'all this one. This is my Ford Fiesta, my little black one that I have. You gotta do maintenance on it. Brakes, tires, and the stressful part is the tires. Because as soon as one tire goes, two tires goes, you gotta go change them off, right? And tires cost, especially right now. They cost a lot. And if you're not getting a discount out here, I don't know. It eats into your profits, man. Tires are expensive. This motherfucker. Oh, shit. There's birds above. Oh, no. Where are they? Can you see them on there? Back home now. Today we're doing brakes. We're gonna change out the coolant flange and put the wheels back on. That's what I gotta do today on my little Ford Fiesta. I gotta change that off. Put that one. So, gotta put the brakes on. So that's what we're gonna start with. Those are off. I had a little bit left, but not enough. So let me put all this back together. So it's nighttime right now, and you wouldn't guess what happened to me. Well, what happened to one of my cars? I took it in for an alignment, and one of my renters just called me and said, hey, your bearing came off. But then when I came by and checked, luckily I brought all my tools with me. This was the problem. Outer tie rod. So now I just went to the parts store and got me a new one. So the good thing is I got my tools with me. That way I can make the whole switch right here. See? In Denny's. There's my car. Yep. So I gotta fix the whole thing and get it right. Luckily, see, it's a good thing to know you gotta be a mechanic. So when they call you, you can just show up and fix things. Look at that. The whole thing. So, we'll catch up back with y'all I'm gonna get done doing this, get this customer back on the road.